Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our 8th question. A heap of rice in the form of cone of diameter 12 meters. So this is one, this is the center, this is the diameter. That is what diameter will be 12 meters and height is 8 meters. So this is the height 8 meters. Then find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? So canvas 2 means we need to find the curved surface area of this cone and use pi as 3.14. So curved surface area and volume we have to find it. So volume of rice heap cloth, what you can say, volume of the cone you can say in the format of 1/3 into volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder, how you can say here? So volume of the cylinder, let's going to take, this is the circle, it will going to extend some up to height, that is circle area into height. So that will be circle area pi r square h. You can take 1/3 pi r square h. So let's going to take volume of the cone, VC will be equal to, so you can take VC as short form 1/3. So pi r square 3.14 into r is what? So diameter, we know that diameter will be equal to 12. Then radius will be equal to diameter by 2, 12 by 2, 6. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are 6 meters. Let's take it this one as 6 square into h will be equal to 8. So 1/3 into 3.14 into 6 into 6, 8. 3 ones are, then 3 twos are 6. What value we will get? So 12, 6 to 6 are 12. 12 8s are what we can get? 96 into 3.14. So 96 into 3.14, we will get it as 301.44. So this is the value, this is the value. So this is meter cube. So volume of the cone will be equal to 301.44 meter cube. So this is the volume of the cone. Let's take it this one. How much cloth is required? So what you can say here is we need to find the slant height. What is the slant height? So let's take it, slant height is in the format. So this one, slant height means from this edge, this is the height of slant height. So let's take it this one. Here it's making 90 degrees. What you can say, this is the radius, this is radius, this is height. So slant height L. So what you can say, L square from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of the remaining squares of sum of the remaining sides. That will be equal to. So L square will be equal to, radius is what? 6 square, height is 8 square. So 36 plus 64, what we will get it? So 100 we will get. So 100. Then L square will be equal to 100. That implies L will be equal to square root of 100. We will get it as 10. So square root of 100, 10 square root will going to cancel. Then L will be equal to 10 meters. The slant height is 10 meters. Let's move on to this. Again, let's going to calculate what is the curved surface area of the heap. So cloth, what you can say here is required cloth, required to cover the heap, canvas cloth. So area of the canvas cloth, we can take it as area of, let's take therefore area of canvas cloth, that will be equal to curved surface area of cone. So this area, so these are all areas. Let's take it this one. What is this? Pi r L. So pi r L. Pi will be equal to 3.14. R we know that. What is that? 6 into L will be equal to 10. So we will get it as 3.14 into 60. So 3.14 into 60, what value we will get it? 188.4. What is that area, right? For that meter square. So this is the cloth required. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session we are going to discuss 9th question. The curved surface area of cone is, what is that? Curved surface area of cone is equal to 4070 centimeters square and its diameter, let's take diameter of cone, D will be equal to 70 centimeter. Then what its slant height? So what is nothing but slant height? This is the slant height. So this is slant height, this is the height, this is the radius. So from this you can say, if you calculate diameter we know, So that means radius will be equal to d by 2. We will get it as 70 by 2. We will get it as 35 centimeters. So 2 3s are, then 2 5s are 10. So radius, we know that. Radius small r will be equal to 35 centimeter. Then height we don't know. Height we don't know. What is that? But from curved surface area of this, we can calculate what is the lateral surface height, and this one is slant height. So what is the curved surface area formula of cone will be equal to pi r L. So radius we know, L we don't know, we have to find it. So based on this formula you can calculate. Pi r L will be equal to 4070. So let's move on to this and let's going to calculate. Pi will be equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 35 into L, that will be equal to 4070. So 7 ones are 7 5s are. That means 40 L will be equal to 4070 by 22 into 5. So let's move on to this and let's going to cancel it. So 5 ones are, then 5 8s are 40, then 5 ones are 5, then 2 5 4s are. So 814 by 22, 814 by 22. We can get it 11s are, then 2 4s are 8, then put it 0 to 7s. So what you can say here is, again you can cancel it. One more chance is there. 11 ones are, 11 3s are 33 7, 11 7s are. So what is the slant height? We can get it as slant height will be equal to, what is slant height? The height will be equal to, what you can say here is 37 centimeters. So this is the slant height. This is 37 centimeter. Since we can calculate what is the height of the cone from Pythagoras theorem, it's going to making 90 degrees. Let's going to find it. L square will be equal to h square plus r square. So from this you can find the height. So they are not asked, but it's better to calculate it from this. So L square we know that, and h square. H square is nothing but h square will be equal to L square minus r square. So L square is 35 square minus r square is, again, what is this? Sorry, here 37. So here 37 square, 35 square. So 37 square is what? 37 square is 1369 minus 35 square. What is that? 1225. So 1369 minus 1225. What answer we will get? 144. Approximately we will get it as h will be equal to square root of 144. Then square root of 144 is nothing but, we know that is 12. So what is this? 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeters. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.